Set on the edge of Mapperley Plains in one of Nottingham's most sought after locations, this home delivers space, design and a different pace of life. I'm Jordan from HoldenCopley. Let's take a look around. The moment you walk in, you will notice straight away light, space and a layout that just flows. This is where it all comes together. Open plan kitchen, dining, family space, flooded with natural light, opening straight on to the garden. And it's that connection from inside to outside that makes this whole home feel bigger. Now, it's not just about finishes, it's the way the space has been thought through. From the layout to how the light moves through the home during the day. That's what separates something that looks good from something that actually feels right. And what I really like here, you've got flexibility. Separate living space when you want to switch off, open plan when you want to bring everyone together, and rooms that can adapt. Office, guest space, playroom, whatever your life needs it to be. Let's head upstairs because this is where it really starts to feel like home. Now this is a principal suite. Great proportions, loads of natural light, built-in storage, ensuite, everything you would expect, but done properly. And it's quiet, which is exactly what you want at the end of the day. Across the rest of the house, every room has been designed with a purpose. Whether it's growing families, working from home, or you just need more space, it all works. But what really makes this special is where you are. You've got countryside on your doorstep, parks, schools, community, and Nottingham city centre just 20 minutes away. That balance is hard to find, and that's why places like this don't hang around. It's built for the future too. Energy efficient design, solar panels, EV charging. You're not just buying for today, you're set up for what's next. So, if you're looking for more space, a better lifestyle, and a home that actually delivers on both, this is one that you need to see. I'm Jordan from HoldenCopley, and I look forward to seeing you here soon.